Hello fellow Rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to share with you a rose called Bow Bells. This is an older David Austin that's not in circulation right now, but you can find it from some of our vendors. I'm gardening in zone 8A and I look for roses that are black spot resistant, and this one, I know what's going to happen. It's going to get slight black spot. In fact, I see some here. I do have sawfly larvae because I'm an organic gardener and I just pick leaves rather than using any kind of spray on the rose. And I just haven't made it here yet. But it's a beautiful color, and the blooms kind of remind me maybe of cathedral bells, how it has, just a darker outer petal and then it fades on the interior. It's a pretty rose, and it'll definitely have a place here in our garden. I think it looks great next to Peggy Martin. The blooms are approximately 2 inches or so for me. I'm not detecting a lot of fragrance, but this is one to consider for you if you find it in circulation. Thanks so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I will see you in the next video.